In the name of Almighty, the most beneficent and merciful, let me begin. Most respected professors, beloved research scholars, budding chemists, and my dear student friends, I extend a warm and cordial welcome to you on this fourth day of a 5-day national online course on chemistry in our day-to-day life, organized by PG and Research Department of Chemistry, Jamal Mohammed College, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. I am Dr. Masood Ahmad, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. The topic I have chosen is chemistry of easily accessible drugs. The ultimate aim of this course is make you to know the chemical composition of some medicine available in the market and to understand the role of chemicals in the medicine on the treatment, prevention, and the cure of diseases. In addition, few pediatric medications along with the cause of some chronic diseases are also discussed in this course. The medicine and chemistry are interrelated. Chemistry plays an essential role in the discovery of new drugs and also in the development of existing drugs and in advanced medications. In pharmacology, a drug is a chemical substance typically of known structure which, when administered to a living organism, produces a biological effect. A drug is also called a medication or medicine which is used to treat, cure, prevent, or diagnose a disease or to promote well being. Medicine, based on its form and mode of action, categorized into a variety of classification: antibiotic, antihistamine, antihypertensive, tranquilizer, antipsychotic, bronchodilator, and these medicines are available in the form of lozenges, solution, cough syrup, ointment, cream, gel, balm, capsule, etc. Bacterial infection and antibiotics. Bacteria are always human friendly in nature. It involves in various biological processes. Some bacteria causes infection to humans and make us ill. There are two type of toxins which is give off by bacteria called exotoxin and endotoxin. Exotoxin are protein produced inside pathogenic bacteria, most commonly in gram-positive bacteria. Endotoxin are lipid portion of lipopolysaccharides that are part of outer membrane of cell wall of gram-negative bacteria. Symptoms of release of this toxin include nausea, fever, headache, throat irritation, shortness of breath, and airway inflammation. The drug or medicine which is used in the treatment of bacterial infection are called antibiotics. Antibiotics are classified based on their chemical formula like penicillin, tetracycline, cephalosporin, quinolone, and it is broadly classified by their mode of action into two types: broad spectrum antibiotic and a narrow spectrum antibiotic. The antibiotic that act against both gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria are called a broad spectrum antibiotic. The antibiotic that effective against only a selective group of bacteria are called a narrow spectrum antibiotic. Generally, most of the antibiotics have cell wall synthesis inhibitors as their mode of action. Amoxicillin is a broad spectrum semi-synthetic antibiotic. It contains and it is used in the treatment of bacterial infection in middle ear, strep throat, pneumonia, skin infection, and urinary tract infection. Ofloxacin belongs to a class of drugs called quinolone antibiotics. It is useful for the treatment of pneumonia, certain type of infectious diarrhea, urinary tract infection. Aflox is a drop available in the market which contain afloxacin and benzalkonium chloride used to treat bacterial infection in the eye and outer ear infection and middle ear infection. The medicine which are used to treat the fungal infection are called antifungal agent. Clotrimazole is an antifungal medicine which contains clotrimazole, sorbitol monostearate, cetyl esters wax polysorbate. Clotrimazole kills the fungus and treats the infection. Antiseptic are antimicrobial substances that are applied to living tissue to reduce the possibility of infection or sepsis. Bernal contains aminocrine hydrochloride and cetrimide. It is used in the treatment of wounds, sores, insect bites, rashes, and abrasions. Stomach acid or gastric juice is a fluid formed in the stomach which help in digestion of food. It is composed of hydrochloric acid, potassium chloride, and sodium chloride. pH of stomach range from 1 to 3. Cell lining inside the stomach are resistant to stomach acid, but esophagus are not resistant. Acid reflux is caused when stomach contents leak backwards into food pipe. It causes irritation in food pipe and heartburn. Acid reflux is also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease. Antacid is a substance which neutralizes stomach acidity. It works by relieving the acid in the stomach. Gelusil is a combination of aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. It is used to treat heartburn, acid indigestion, upset stomach. Histamine is an organic compound involved in roles such as local immune response and neurotransmission, as well as stimulating gastric acid secretion. It produces increased vascular permeability, causing fluid to escape from capillaries into tissues, which leads to the classic symptoms of an allergic reaction like runny nose and watery eyes. Antihistamine are the class of drugs which treat allergic rhinitis and other allergies. Antihistamine provide relief from nasal congestion, sneezing, or hives caused by pollen, dust mites, or animal allergy. It also relieves itchy, watery eyes and itchy throat. Benadryl contains diphenhydramine. It is used to treat allergies. It can also be used for insomnia, symptoms of the common cold, tremor in Parkinsonism, and nausea. Bronchodilators are a type of medication that makes breathing easier by relaxing the muscle in the lungs and widening the airways. Astalin syrup is a bronchodilator which contains salbutamol sulfate. It is used to relieve the wheezing, shortness of breath, chest tightness, breathing difficulties, and coughing. Easy Breathe contains camphor, chlorothymol, eucalyptus oil, menthol, and terphenyl. It is an effective medicine used for the treatment of cold and blockage in nasal passage. It also helps to treat bronchitis, sinus pain, and inflammation, fungal infection of toenail, and respiratory infection. Medicine that used to prevent or reduce fever is called antipyretic, and a painkiller is a medicine used to relieve pain, which is also known as analgesic. Dolo 650 contains paracetamol. It is used as analgesic and antipyretic. It works by blocking the release of certain chemical messenger that cause pain and fever. Crocin contains paracetamol and caffeine. It provides relief from headache, toothache, migraine. It can be used as analgesic and antipyretic. Ibuprofen is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug and also used as analgesic. It is used to treat pain, fever, and inflammation. It contains 2-para-isobutyl phenyl propionic acid, sodium lauryl sulfate, magnesium stearate. It works by blocking the production of prostaglandins. Prostaglandins causes pain and swelling or inflammation. They are released in the brain and also cause fever. Jendu balm and Amrutanjan pain relief balm. They contain methyl salicylate, menthol, and camphor. They are used in the treatment of headache, cold, body ache, and nasal congestion. They provide temporary relief from minor pains of muscle and joints. Methyl salicylate numbs the skin. Menthol reduces inflammation and causing a therapeutic cooling effect. Camphor improve blood circulation and cool the skin. Iodex balm and Moo cream. Both are contain oil of wintergreen, eucalyptus oil, mint crystal, and oil of turpentine. In addition to this, iodine contains clove oil. They are used as multi-purpose pain balm and cream. It provides effective relief from neck pain, shoulder pain, back pain, and joint pain. Oragel contain benzocaine, astringent, and menthol. Benzocaine in Oragel relieve oral pain, astringent relieve gum irritation, menthol soothes the gum. It works by blocking nerve signals in the body. These Oragel provide temporary relief from sore throat, canker sores, cold sores. Omnigel is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. It contains diclofenac sodium, methyl salicylate, linseed oil, benzyl alcohol, and menthol. It is used to treat knee pain, muscle pain, back pain. Diclofenac works by reducing pain, swelling, and inflammation. Linseed oil helps soothe sore muscles. Methyl salicylate reduce inflammation, and menthol soothes and reduce pain. Steroids are synthetic drugs that closely resemble cortisol, a hormone that body produces naturally. Steroids work by decreasing inflammation and reducing the activity of immune system. Omnacortil contains prednisolone, used to treat arthritis, immune system disorder. It decreases immune system's response to various diseases to reduce symptoms such as pain, swelling, and allergic type reactions. The drugs which are used to reduce anxiety, fear, tension, agitation, and related states of mental disturbances are called tranquilizers. Ativan contains lorazepam, which is a benzodiazepine class of drug. It is used to treat anxiety disorders, trouble sleeping, chemotherapy induced nausea and vomiting. This medication acts on brain and central nervous system to produce a calming effect. This drug works by enhancing the effect of gamma aminobutyric acid. Gamma aminobutyric acid reduces brain activity in the area of the brain, which is responsible for rational thought, memory, and emotions. Diabetes or diabetes mellitus. Main type of diabetes are type 1 diabetes when body does not produce enough insulin. Type 2 diabetes, body produces insulin but cannot use it well. Gestational diabetes occur in case of in the condition of pregnancy. Diabetes causes stroke, blindness, kidney disorders. Insulin is a hormone secreted by the pancreas that acts like a key to let glucose get into the liver, muscle, and fat cells via bloodstream. All carbohydrates are broken into glucose in the blood. Insulin therefore helps cells to take glucose to be used for energy. If the body has sufficient energy, insulin signals the liver to take up the glucose and store it as glycogen. Insulin controls the level of sugar in the blood. If the body not being able to produce insulin or use it effectively, it leads to raise the glucose levels in the blood, which is known as hyperglycemia. Fasting glucose test, HbA1c test. These are the two type of test, and random glucose test. These are the some type of test which is used to diagnose or to know the level of blood sugar in the human body. HbA1c test shows the result of almost 3 months of glucose level in the human blood. Metformin is a oral diabetes medicine. Drugs that helps to control blood sugar level is called anti-diabetic drug. Metformin tablet contain metformin hydrochloride, cellulose acetate, polysorbate, povidone, sodium lauryl sulfate. Metformin reduces the amount of sugar your liver releases into your blood. It also makes your body respond better to insulin. Hypertension is also known as high blood pressure. It is defined as transitory or chronic elevation of blood pressure in the arteries. This elevation may lead to cardiovascular damage. Blood pressure is broken into systolic and diastolic values. Pressure exerted when blood is ejected into arteries. Normal systolic blood pressure is 120 millimeter mercury or below. Pressure blood exerts within arteries between heartbeats is known as diastolic blood pressure. Normal diastolic blood pressure is 80 millimeter mercury or below. If the systolic diastolic is below the range of 120/80, it is considered as a normal blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure is observed in case of systolic is between 120 and 129, and diastolic is below 80. High blood pressure of stage 1 is observed in humans who have systolic range 130 to 139 and diastolic range 80 to 89. High blood pressure of stage 2 is in case of systolic range 140 or higher and diastolic 90 or higher. Hypertensive case is crisis when systolic is above 180 and diastolic is above 120. This condition, we have to consult the doctor immediately for medication, and blood pressure is depends upon the age factor also. Antihypertensive drugs are class of drugs that are used to treat high blood pressure. Some chemicals which are used as antihypertensive drugs are beta blockers, diuretics, angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors, angiotensin 2 receptor blockers, calcium channel blockers, and alpha 2 agonists. Amlokind L tablet is a combination of losartan and amlodipine. This tablet lowers your blood pressure and thus reducing your risk of having stroke or kidney damage. Antihypotensive agent, also known as a vasopressor. This is a medication that tends to raise low blood pressure. Intorpin tablet contains conjugate acid of dopamine, that is dopaminium 1 plus and ammonium ion. It is used in the treatment of very low blood pressure. It works by improving the pumping strength of heart and improves blood flow to the kidneys. Dopamine is used to treat certain conditions that occur when you are in shock. Lipids and anti-hyperlipidemic agent, triglycerides and cholesterol are types of fat in your blood known as lipids. Triglycerides provide much of energy for cell function. Cholesterol is used to build cell and several hormones. Most people have high level of fat because of high intake of fat food or of inherited disorder. High lipid level may also be caused by medical conditions such as diabetes, hypothyroidism. So it is advisable to maintain always the desirable cholesterol, triglyceride, HDL and LDL levels. Group of drugs that are used in the treatment of high level of fat in the blood are called anti-hyperlipidemic drugs. They are also called lipid lowering drugs. Atrol F tablet is a combination of atorvastatin and fenofibrate. Atrol F is used in the treatment of high cholesterol, high triglyceride, high lipoprotein. When a person is insufficient of vitamin and minerals, vitamin and mineral supplements are administered orally, or some type of vitamin and mineral supplements which include Zincovit. Zincovit, a tablet which contains carbohydrate, vitamins A, B, C, D, and E. Also, it contains magnesium, manganese, copper, chromium, molybdenum, selenium, and zinc. It is used in the treatment of decrease in appetite, hair loss, vitamin deficiency, general weakness, and loss of energy. Livogen contains ferrous fumarate and folic acid. It works by acting on bone marrow and promotes blood cell production in the body. It also helpful in the treatment of anemia, low RBC, and hemoglobin count. Livogen is prescribed during pregnancy in case of women suffers from low dietary iron and vitamin B9. Dexorange syrup contains ferric ammonium citrate, cyanocobalamin, folic acid. It is used in the treatment of iron deficiency and vitamin deficiency. Dexorange increase the red blood cell counting and also help to get rid of weakness and provide energy. The most familiar infant medicine is Woodward grape water. It contains sodium bicarbonate, linseed oil, maltitol, sodium, and parahydroxybenzoate. It gives instant relief to infants and babies affected by acidity and indigestion. It also useful in the teething period of babies. Calpol infant suspension contains sucrose, sorbitol, sodium, methyl parahydroxybenzoate, and carmoisin. It is used in the treatment of fever after vaccination, cold, toothache, earache, sore throat, and also headache. Thank you very much, participants. Always keep in remember that consuming of medicine without the advice of physician may cause serious health issues. So beware always while taking medicine. At this juncture, we are very grateful to the healthcare workers, sanitary workers, and policemen for their service during this pandemic situation. I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the management of Jamal Muhammad College, our principal, and our head of the department for their motivation and support. Also, I express my sincere thanks to my colleagues for their support during the conduct of this course. Indeed, I thank all the participants for your patient listening and interest on this course. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.